Honda HR-V now compatible with full Mugen Aero kit. Honda HR-V owners in North America can now fully customize their vehicles with Mugen's updated Aero and performance parts following changes to the Japanese ZR-V model. Previously, Mugen's body kits didn't fit US spec HR-Vs due to front-end design differences. Now, with the introduction of the ZR-V Cross Touring trim in Japan, which closely matches the American HR-V's look, Mugen has redesigned its components for broader compatibility. Design and Aero upgrades. The updated Mugen kit includes a redesigned front bumper extension with aluminum-style inserts, aligning with the US HR-V's intake garnish. Other parts, like sharper side skirts, new mirror caps, and aerodynamic extensions for the roof and rear bumper, remain largely unchanged, but are now available in a matte black finish. Additional options include black decals and window visors, performance enhancements beyond aesthetics. Mugen offers functional upgrades such as gunmetal 19-inch aluminum wheels and Yamaha-tuned performance dampers to improve ride quality and handling. The Japanese spec ZR-V retains its 181 HP self-charging hybrid powertrain, but Mugen adds a stainless steel sports exhaust with quad tailpipes for a more aggressive sound. Pricing and availability. Mugen's full upgrade list is available on its Japanese website. Prices vary. The front bumper extension costs $110,690 for the Cross Touring and $99,620 for standard models. Additional components include side skirts at $104,500, $650, rear skirts at $88,550, and a roof spoiler extension at $38,500, $240. The most expensive upgrades include the sports exhaust at $330,000, $2,100, and 19-inch alloy wheels at $286,000, $1,800. Interior upgrades such as floor mats, luggage mats, and window visors are bundled for $107,800, $670. Smaller accessories can quickly add up, so buyers should factor in additional costs for nuts, bolts, carbon emblems, and more. The key takeaway is that Mugen's updated parts catalog now makes full-body customization accessible to North American HR-V owners, resolving a long-standing fitment issue.